This simple bamboo cup might be holding your morning coffee, but its journey began long before your alarm ever rang. Today, we're going inside an American factory that turns raw bamboo into millions of reusable cups every year. Hidden behind these walls is a carefully engineered process that blends nature, chemistry, and precision engineering. From solid stalks of bamboo to finely ground powder, from hot molds to cool finished cups, every step is controlled to the second. Stay with us as we follow one cup's complete journey from raw bamboo to your kitchen cabinet.
Bamboo cups have become a popular eco-friendly alternative to single-use plastics and disposable paper cups.
People use them every day at home, in offices, and on the go, often without knowing how they're actually made. In this video, we'll follow the full journey, from harvesting bamboo to grinding and mixing, molding, decorating, and packaging. We start with raw bamboo, either imported as blocks and sheets or as pre-processed chips from certified plantations. Inside, the plant is organized into specialized zones: preparation, molding, finishing, and packing. Each zone is tuned for speed, safety, and quality, with a flow designed to keep materials moving and waste to a minimum. Every batch is barcoded and tracked, so the factory can trace a cup back to the exact raw material lot it came from. By the end of the line, thousands of cups are ready to be shipped to stores and online customers across the United States. Let's follow this cup from the very beginning, the bamboo plant itself. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth, making it an attractive renewable resource for cup manufacturing. Specialized growers harvest mature bamboo stalks, selected for their strength and fiber quality. The stalks are cut into manageable lengths and sometimes split or chipped before shipping. From there, the bamboo is loaded into containers and shipped to the manufacturing plant in the United States. At the factory, delivery trucks roll in daily, bringing in tons of bamboo material for processing. Forklifts unload the shipments and bring them to the raw material reception area. Technicians test moisture and appearance to make sure the bamboo meets the factory's quality standards. Approved batches are stored in a dry, well-ventilated warehouse, waiting to be turned into powder. When production calls for more material, a pallet is moved to the preparation line. Here, the transformation from solid bamboo to cup-ready material begins. First, the bamboo is chipped or shredded to break it down into smaller, manageable pieces. Sharp rotating blades reduce the tough stalks into uniform chips in a matter of seconds. Those chips are then carried into a drying system, where controlled hot air removes excess moisture. A rotating drum or tunnel dryer keeps the chips moving so they dry evenly without burning. Technicians sample dried chips to confirm they've reached the ideal moisture range. Once dried, the chips move to powerful mills that grind them down into a fine bamboo powder. Inside the grinder, mechanical forces break the chips into tiny particles, releasing the plant fibers. What comes out is a soft, light-colored bamboo powder that will form the base of the cup material. The powder is checked for consistency and particle size, which affect the strength and surface of the final cup. Approved bamboo powder batches are sealed and labeled, waiting to be mixed with binders and additives. From here, automated systems transport the powder directly to the mixing section. To turn bamboo powder into a moldable material, it's blended with food-safe binders and additives. Bamboo powder is fed into the mixer and combined with binders that help it hold shape when molded. Inside, powerful paddles blend the ingredients until the texture is perfectly uniform. Natural or food-grade pigments can be added here to give the cups their final color. Technicians examine the material by feel, making sure it's neither too dry nor too sticky. Small test samples can be pressed and checked for strength and surface quality before full-scale production. The finished mixture is often formed into pellets or granules that are easier to feed into molding machines. They're cooled and stabilized so they can be stored and handled without clumping together. Each batch is labeled for a specific product line, such as travel cups, kids cups, or cafe cups. This gives the factory flexibility to switch colors and cup styles quickly as orders change. When it's time to mold cups, these pellets are sucked up through tubes into the heart of the molding machines. Now the real transformation begins, turning this material into solid, durable cups. This section of the factory is dedicated to shaping. High-pressure machines mold each cup one cycle at a time.
The bamboo compound is heated, softened, and forced into the mold cavity where it takes on its final shape.
Under pressure, the material fills even the thin walls and rim of the cup. After a brief cooling period, the mold opens to release a brand new cup. Automatic ejectors or robotic arms gently remove each cup and place it onto a conveyor. From here, the cups travel as a continuous stream toward cooling and trimming stations. With several machines operating at once, this factory can produce thousands of cups per hour. At this early stage, operators keep an eye out for any defects, like bubbles or incomplete filling. Next, a trimming station removes any extra bits of material from the rim to keep it smooth and comfortable. The goal is a perfectly even edge with no sharp spots or rough patches. Trim waste is collected and can often be reprocessed, minimizing material loss. Cups then pass through a cooling zone so the material fully sets and stabilizes. Thermal cameras or temperature sensors confirm that cups cool uniformly, reducing warping. Fully cooled cups are automatically counted and separated into neat rows for the next steps. Different molds produce a variety of shapes and sizes, all made from the same bamboo-based material. Now it's time to give these cups their final look: designs, colors, and protective coatings. In the finishing area, plain bamboo cups are transformed into eye-catching products. Some cups are decorated with pad or screen printing, where ink is carefully transferred onto the curved surface. Special inks are chosen to be durable, food-safe, and resistant to washing. Printed cups pass through drying tunnels that cure the ink so it doesn't smudge or peel. Visual checks make sure colors are accurate and designs line up exactly where they should. Some cups receive an extra protective coating to enhance durability and stain resistance. This thin layer helps the cup resist scratches and wear over hundreds of uses. A final curing stage locks in the coating without affecting the bamboo material beneath. Inspectors compare each batch to reference standards, checking for defects or color shifts. Mechanical tests measure how much force the cups can withstand before cracking or deforming. The results help confirm that the cups are strong enough for everyday use. Heat resistance tests simulate hot coffee or tea to see how the cup behaves under real conditions. Food contact safety is critical, so samples can be checked for compliance with safety standards. Microscopic checks reveal how well the bamboo fibers and binders are bonded together. The plant keeps sample cups from each production run, in case any future issues need investigation. Once cups pass all checks, they head to the packing area, where they're grouped, wrapped, and boxed. Machines stack cups into sets and apply sleeves or labels that show size, material, and care instructions. From gift-ready retail boxes to bulk cartons for cafes, packaging is tailored to each customer's needs. Full pallets are wrapped and labeled, ready to be moved into the warehouse or loaded onto trucks. The warehouse holds days or weeks of stock, carefully organized so orders can be shipped quickly. Trucks carry these bamboo cups to distribution centers, stores, and homes across the country.
So the next time you pour a drink into a bamboo cup, you'll know the entire journey, from fast-growing bamboo through careful manufacturing to your hand.